You're welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be answering this problem under atomic structure, which is the relative atomic mass. What is relative atomic mass at first? Relative atomic mass of elements is the average mass of all isotopes of elements. This is used for elements that undergo isotopic form, such as what? Chlorine. You can see chlorine now. It undergo two isotopic form. You can see this and this having mass of the first one have a mass number of 35, the second one has a mass number of 37, but still the same atomic number, that is isotope. Okay, now how are we going to calculate the average of this mass of these masses, the two masses? That is where this that is when this relative atomic mass come to place. All right, let's write relative atomic mass atomic mass as this. I can also summarize it as this: RAM is equals to what? It has a formula which is M1 alpha 1 plus M2 alpha 2. If you are dealing with element that undergo three isotopic form, so we also include M3 R what alpha 3. What does M1 stand for? What does this stand for? What does this stand for? And this M1 stand for the mass of the isotope 1. M1 equals to mass of isotope 1. Let me write the one like this. Mass of isotope 1. That is, and that the mass is equals to what? And that gives us equals to 35. Okay. What does alpha 1 means? It represents the abundance of isotope 1. You see that this isotope 1, this isotope 2. So the abundance, this is the first abundance. It go with this. Second abundance go with this. So the abundance of isotope 1 is given in percentage. That is, this alpha means abundance. So the abundance of isotope 1, which is 75%. So that is alpha 1 equals to abundance of isotope 1. And that is equals to what? 75%. Of course, you know that 75% is also the same thing as what? 75 over what? Over 100. So M2 equals to M2 is equals to the mass of isotope 2. That is mass of isotope 2 mass of isotope 2 is equals to what? 37. While alpha 2 is the abundance of what? Is abundance of isotope 2. And that is equals to what? 25%. So our relative atomic mass, let me summarize it as RAM. Relative atomic mass equals to, my M1 is equals to 35 times alpha 1, which is 75 over 100. Because you know that this is also the same thing as this. Plus M2 is equals to 37. M2 equals to 37 times alpha 2, which is 25%. Our 25% is also the same thing as what? 25 over 100. So that is 25 over 100. All right. So 35 times 75. 35 times 75 give us 2,625 all over what? All over 100 plus 35 times 25. 875 all over 100. So if you divide this by 100, it give you 26.25 plus, and if you divide this by 100, it give you Sorry, this is not 35. This is not 35 times 27. It is 37 times 25. Sorry, it is 27. And 37. 37 times 25. Sorry, it's 925. This is this is 925. It is 37 times 25, not 35 times 25. 37 times. So that is 925. So this 925 divided by 100, that gives us 9.25. So 9.25 plus this, if you add them together, it gives you 35.5. So our final answer is 35.5. That is, the average of this mass is equal to what? 35.5. So the average mass of chlorine is 35.5. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Consider to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you.